Hello everyone.
ठीक है.
So Samaira Kapoor is joining us. So Samaira, are you able to hear me?
Hello, yes, I'm able to hear you.
Hi. How are you, Samaira?
Hi. I'm fine.
Okay, so you know the topic of today's interview.
Yes, I know about online shopping.
Samaira. Okay. So I think I will straight away proceed to my first question. That is, what is your recent purchase?
Actually, tomorrow is my birthday, so my mother gifted me will gift me a mini blackboard,
Okay,
and we ordered it from online.
that's a very great thing. Happy birthday in advance, Samaira. Okay, so it is a
Thank you.
mini blackboard that you have been got as a gift.
Yes, it is about 5 to 7 centimeters.
Oh, you know the gift. That's amazing, actually.
Yes, I choose it. I choose it.
Okay. So we will ask you some 5 questions. I will ask you about that blackboard only, and you have to answer me that whether it is required or not. But it is your birthday gift, so I think that all the answers
Okay,
are
okay.
in positive form. So I think we should start with it then. Yes.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay, Samaira. So I will go ahead with my first question, which is that why do you require that blackboard?
In this time of pandemic, we are having our online classes. So in just morning, very morning, I just woke up and there are I want to find any rough copy. So I think it's better to have a blackboard which is small in size so that I can carry it anywhere and I can do my all the work, and I can just write some important points and just rub it for the next class. And in my math subject, ma'am gives some sums to solve and to tell the answer. So it's very helpful for on the spot thinking.
Okay. So you are planning to save paper for the future.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's a very great thing actually. We should all should start thinking about it. And okay, so that's a very great thing that you have purchased a blackboard. Again, I think it is very useful for you. Okay, so I will ask you my second question, which is, will your life change after getting that blackboard? Do you think it will tend to change anything in
Um,
life after getting?
not not very much change, but yes, it will become easy for me. Like in morning when I'm very sleepy, I just want to find some rough paper, pen. But now I have marker and blackboard so that I can easily write some points or anything I want to do, solve questions or etc.
Don't think that it will change your life.
So my life,
It will change.
not very much. But if I don't, yeah, it will change. Like it will become my life easy.
Okay.
It will become my life easy.
Okay. Don't you think that you have to change your practice while you're writing on the paper? You have to shift to a writing to blackboard. Will it
Yes, yes.
be a problem for you?
No, not very much problems.
Okay. Okay. So
It
that's a very
is actually I find more easy to write it on a blackboard because on a whiteboard it has two white. It is two in one. It has one blackboard and whiteboard, so it is smooth than paper.
okay. Okay. That's also a very great thing. So I will start with my third question, which is it worth the money? Can you please tell how much money you have to pay for it to buy
Yeah,
that?
it is. It is of 200 something 245 rupees,
Okay.
and it is small, just of a big art file. It is just a size of a big art file. So
Okay.
it's
A4 size or A3 size?
A3 size. A3.
A3 is a big one. That's great then. If it's
Yeah, yeah, and it has a marker, duster, and colorful chalks with it. So it's if we buy from market, it will be of same price as from Amazon.
so
So
you
it's
don't
worth.
like online purchase has given you a discount or something else. It would be easier to buy.
Actually, buy. by shipping prices and all the other EMI prices, all the prices
Yes.
make the amount as same as to the normal prices. So
Okay.
no profit or no loss in it.
Okay. Yeah, that's also great. But you are having your product at your home, and even at your home,
And that's better.
step delivery, contactless delivery right now in the times of pandemic. So I think that's very great. Okay, so I will ask you the fourth question, which is how will it keep you good in the long run? How will it help you in the long run actually?
Uh, I don't know it will last till
Long,
how many years or months because it is just made up of plastic. So plastic is not very much healthy than other metals. So I think for me it can run till some months. And what's your question? Can you repeat?
how will it help in the long run?
Okay, so after in the future, when my schools will open, I will be not using it as online classes will end. So I can use it as I can use it for my practice also. So it will help in long run also.
Okay, yeah, it will definitely help. I think so in the long run because
And it is
if you have
it is small. It is small, so I can decorate it anywhere by writing my any quotes on it. Or my mother write one quote every day, so we can make it that also.
yeah, that's a very nice thought, Samira. Okay, so I will proceed to my fifth question, which is how will it change the society? Do you think that having something of your need will change the society?
No, because the blackboard I have, not the society have it.
So
So if the blackboards will finish,
the question it is about that how will it change the society? It means that will you help them by changing something the outlook of the people by using that blackboard? Do you will
yes,
you tell
yes, yes.
people to use it?
Yes, yes, because the blackboard, if we use blackboard, it is saving 100 trees. But if everybody use blackboards, then the trees can be saved and the life will be more longer, will more long our life because of trees we live, we breathe. So using blackboards are very will be compulsory in future and with our future needs.
Yes, that would be definitely. Okay, Samira, thank you for your interview. I think we had a lovely time with you, and your question and your answers were actually very great. And I think that you tend to save the future one day. So, okay. So, I think I should leave the meeting. Okay, Samira, we'll meet you soon. Bye.
Bye.